How to share WooCommerce purchase activity automatically to the BuddyPress Activity Feed. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you share WooCommerce purchase activity automatically to the BuddyPress Activity Feed, so people can see the purchasing history of every member. First, please make sure you have installed BuddyPress and WooCommerce. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. Once all plugins are active, navigate to Youzify panel, General Settings, and WooCommerce Settings. And then, enable WooCommerce integration settings. Still on Youzify Settings panel, navigate to Wall Settings and scroll down to control Wall Posts visibility and make sure New Product Post Type is enabled. I log in with a non-admin account and navigate to Account Settings and Account Privacy. Enable Activity Stream Purchases. And then, I will try to check out a product. In the previous video, I explained if we enable WooCommerce integration, all of the WooCommerce activities will be redirected to the profile page including the checkout process. And here it is. You can see the purchase activity is shared automatically to the activity feed. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.